Hello and welcome to this quick tip, which is about regaining control of your session, not in terms of locking the drummer up and getting the singer to realise that they're not that great, but in terms of your Cubase session. So often what happens after you've been working a long time, particularly on a big project, you can end up with loads of tracks at different track heights, automation all over the place, this, that and the other. This isn't even a big session. This has only got 20 odd tracks in it. And on a laptop, it's a bit unmanageable. There's quite a lot going on. And even though things are ordered, it's a bit much. Two things to get control of the session really quickly. Firstly, to put all the tracks back to a sane height, just highlight the track at the top and press the Z key twice. The first time will make it go crazy. The second time will put everything back to the same height. So already we're in a bit more control. The second thing is often you've got loads of automation showing that you don't need to have any more. So you go to Project, Track Folding, and then Hide All Automation. Sanity is restored. You can carry on working. Hope you found that useful, and we'll see you again soon for more quick tips.